Hello, welcome back. I'm Scott.
And I'm Allison.
And we're Jarhead and Ginger's Journey. Today, we're still at the Hershey show, and we're gonna check out Lance truck campers. We're gonna take a walk around a few of them, as requested by one of the viewers on one of our previous videos. Come on. As you can see, this isn't your grandfather's old truck camper here. This thing on the other side has a slide that goes the whole length of the side here. This is a model 1172, and the reason we chose this one is because it actually has a dry bath. Let's go check it out. So it's all ready for the show here. They've got the awning out, which is really nice. We're coming down the camping side here. Got your water heater, your propane storage, furnace, all on this side. This thing actually has two slides here. So it's got a slide out the back with a slide topper on it, which is pretty cool. And then we'll go around the back side here. Got the ladder. And you can see that other slide right here. Really makes it big inside there, guys. And there's some storage down here, and it has an onboard generator as well.
You've got to see the inside of this beast. It is amazing. I cannot believe this space. It feels like you're in a full-size trailer. They have a couch here that is a jackknife sofa, so you can have a bed. The dinette booth can also make into a bed. You have a full-size deep sink, stovetop, small oven. It's actually a convection microwave and grill, it says. Cabinet space, extra counter space here. TV that will fold around. You've got to see the bathroom. We were joking about getting a truck camper, and I said I could never do a wet bath. Look at this. This goes in the back of a truck. I cannot believe it. It is so nice. You have your separate shower, so no having to sit on the toilet and take a shower. Look at that. Wow. And then your refrigerator, regular RV size refrigerator, and you have a bed up here with some closet space. I really like this for a truck camper.
Well, I'm in this shot, but I had to get up in here to show you guys a little closer. There's a pretty decent closet space here. It's probably about 3.5, 4 feet long. And then if you look down here, there's another open, you can open that cabinet for more storage there. And there's another one on this side of the bed as well. Very cool. Up here there's a railing system, so you could put some smaller items up there. And on the ceiling there's this nice big skylight to let in all kinds of outside light. Now we're going to check out this other one. This is a Lance 975, and it's 10 feet 4 inches. It has one slide out the side. This one doesn't have the slide out the back, but this one also has a dry bath. So let's check it out. This one has this nice awning out the back over the top of the door. Makes it nice and shady when the sun is in the right direction, at least. Let's go around the side and check out the slide out. This is the slide. It's on the driver's side, so the non-camping side of the RV here. You can tell there's a refrigerator in the slide right over here by these two things. I would say that slide's probably 7 or 8 feet long. So it should be nice and spacious inside. Let's go check out the inside. So let's check out the data plate on this and see how much it weighs. It says it was manufactured in June. Camper weight is 3,962 pounds, or if you're a kilogram type, it's 1,797 kilograms. Has 51 gallons of water, 40 pounds of propane, and 0.17 cubic meter refrigerator, or 6 cubic foot refrigerator. That's pretty cool.
Let's go inside.
All right, let's go.
All right, look at this in the inside. We have a very nice, looks cushy dinette. This looks like, yes, it folds into a bed. On the other side, we have another nice deep sink, stovetop, 3 burners. This was an oven. It doesn't say if it is also a convection like the other one, but there is a convection microwave on top. Cabinets, you have your stereo and your controls over there. Some more cabinetry drawers. This is where your TV would go. I imagine you'd have a folding arm so that you can pull it out so you can watch from the dinette. More storage here. Your 6 cubic feet refrigerator. And let's look at the bathroom. Is this a good one? It is. It is very similar to that other one. Oh, wow. Lots of storage space, a towel rack, cabinets, and just look at that shower. Ta-da! That's awesome. And then up to the master bedroom. Here you go.
I wanted to show you guys this because I think they're really cool. There's a little button here, and if it's pushed in like this, it's locked and the drawer won't open. When you unlock the button, the drawers open up and you have quite a bit of storage in there. The last one we looked at was very similar construction with the storage under this, but we just learned about how to open them. So there you go, that's how that works. Now let's take a look and see what the show price of this one is. Remember, this is the model 975, and the total MSRP is $55,813. So, not the cheapest bill out there, but definitely very nice setup truck camper. And Lance is a brand that pretty much everybody that's been around any RVs has definitely heard of. I believe they're one of the longest running truck camper makers out there, so good for them. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at the 650. It is 6 feet 10 inches, so I believe this is the smallest one they make. It's the smallest one at the show, and I can tell you that it weighs 1,903 pounds. So you can tow this or put this in a lot smaller of a pickup truck than the last couple that we looked at. Not any slides on this, but on this side there is a nice awning and a nice big window. And then on this side you can also see there's 2 pretty good sized windows here and all of your hookup and controls. So pretty simple. Let's go in and take a look at the inside. So as soon as you come through the door here, you have another door. It looks like this is going to be the bathroom. This one is not quite as impressive as the others. It does have a toilet and a sink and everything, but this is also a wet bath. So when you're in here taking your shower, your toilet and everything's going to be getting wet with you. So we'll shut that and we'll turn to the other side here. We have a nice dinette. Looks like the table comes out and it probably folds down into a bed. And then straight up from the door is the bed in the nose cap area. And there is your refrigerator. Right there is a closet and some storage over there. And it comes around to a TV and a stereo here, and that nice big window that looks out. And then down here into your kitchen, you have a microwave oven up there, a 2-burner stovetop, and a nice small little kitchen sink with a cover. A little bit of drawers down there, and some storage or some electronics. all of your controls on the wall here above the sink. And then some netted storage and some storage cabinets on this side. Very cool little truck camper, guys. Like I said, this is the smallest one they have at the show at 6 feet and some change. We're now looking at the Lance Towable. This model is a 2465. One of the show guys told us it's a 24-foot box. The total length will be 29 feet on this. It's supposed to be pretty cool. Let's go around and look at the specs on this thing. So it looks like the GVWR of this is only 3,538 pounds, guys. It's running on 225 75R15 E-rated tires. So very cool. If you look down this side, there are 2 slides on the non-camping side. So it should be plenty roomy on the interior. Let's go check it out.
As you come through the door, you will see this L-shaped sofa. I think it makes out into a bed. You have a dinette here, the booth dinette with storage drawers beneath. Then also the table comes down and makes to a bed. And here's your kitchen. You have these nice sink covers. This is for your garbage. This is not plastic. Very nice deep sink. You have a convection microwave, 3-burner stovetop, and your oven. Lots of cabinet space for the camper this size. Refrigerator. Here's your TV. And you get a fireplace. This is nice because the sink area is here. Nice deep sink, towel holder, medicine cabinet. You have a window to look out while you brush your teeth. Lots of storage down here, guys. And then here's the bathroom. It's roomy enough for a trailer this size. Got some storage. And there you go. Now into the master bedroom, or the only bedroom. Oh, now I like this. This has a desk. This is very nice. It has a elevator TV. Is that what it's called? I don't know. But this is, your TV pops out here. You have your workspace and nice big bed, beautiful windows. I like this one too.
Sister Freebird was the one that requested the Lance tours of the truck campers. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed it. And even if you're not Sister Freebird, we hope you enjoyed it as well. If you're still here, thanks for sticking around till the end. We'll see you next time on Jarhead and Ginger's Journey. Bye. Well, as you can see, this isn't your grandmother's, and it is, I can't see the numbers, 10'4". Locked.